There are illustrations with descriptions. Outstanding and interesting features of Qiopertar A316-cam, 1080p FHD DVR car driving recorder, 3.5-inch, IPS screen dashboard camera, 170 degrees wide angle, G-sensor, parking monitor. Loop recording for women men. If you searching, Qiopertar A316-cam, in this video, we are introduction outstanding and interesting features with reviews from people who have already bought it, if any. Following, we will introduce outstanding and interesting features are include 1080p dashcam dual cameras. The Samrite dashcam offers quality 1080p on front camera and 720p on rear camera that captures super clear view. Help you read most details from street signs, license plate etc. Wide-angle cameras capture all pedestrians and vehicles around the car, providing sufficient evidence for rear-end collisions or collisions and others. Parking monitor. With the dedicated hardware kit, the recorder can automatically monitor the surrounding environment. When the built-in G-sensor detects a sudden shock or collision, the camera will automatically lock video. Seamless loop recording will be automatically overwrite old files. Recording will be looped automatically. Dedicated hardwire kit is needed for parking monitoring function. Wide shoot range. It supports a wide angle of 170 degrees, no picture distortion, a wide shoot range. The lower camera supports 180 degrees rotation, easily adjust to the right angle. G-sensor. The integrated G-sensor will auto-lock record the video when experiencing abnormal collision. All important clips can be truly restored and be your powerful evidence. More functions. Support one key turn on/off recording function to protect your private voice. With a camera button, it can help you easily record important pictures. Questions or things to know. To make a decision before buy Qiopertar A316-cam and get full highlight features and / or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Of course, if there is a problem after purchase, please comment and tell us, to be useful to people who are searching in the future. Important. Don't forget to press subscribe button, press the bell, select all to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you for taking the time to watch the video with video introduce the latest products YouTube channel.